Hello everyone, myself Dhanushri and my project mates are Arundhati Bhavishri and Meghna CR, and the project name is Missile Detection and Automatic Destroy System, and the project ID is PROJ_EAP_70. I'm very happy to say that we are selected for finals Avishkar. Let's go with the PPT. Now the contents are, these are the contents present in PPT, and the first abstract is abstract. Military applications are more concerned with modern technologies and equipment provided security in border system. This proposed system involves a complex system design and construction of a missile detector and destroy system. The main aim is to develop a compact and highly mobile defense system. The system can automatically track and shoot at moving targets, while allowing a user to remotely access and control the gun. This system can detect the target moving in multiple directions. The destroying system moves automatically in the direction of a missile and fires it upon hitting the target. An ultrasonic transducer comprising of a transmitter and receiver are used. The transmitter waves are reflected back from the object and received by the transducer again. The proposed system consists of control unit, that is Raspberry Pi, which takes place the action of moving and firing mechanism with the direction of the target. Camera is used for face recognition. Introduction. As we all know, robot is automatic mechanical device after resembling a human or an animal, which are usually guided by a computer program or electronic circuit. These robots help to make human life much easier, especially in dangerous areas, and works. One of the concern areas of today is the military. Military robots are especially used to take the risky job which is difficult to handle by humans. The purpose of this project is to design and construct automatic missile detection and destroy system. Until now, the border security was totally dependent on soldiers. The main aim of this project is to plan and build program target following system. The target destroying system moves automatically in the direction of missile and fires it upon the fixing target. Object tracking system continuously monitors the target. Upon detecting the target, it sends the target location to a central control system, which takes the action of moving and the firing mechanism in the direction of target and fires it. And the next is problem statement. Basically, army robot is capable of performing tasks such as locomotion, sensing the harmful gas, sensing the humans beneath the surface, metal detection. Army robot is an autonomous robot comprising of wireless camera, which can be used as spy, and Bluetooth used to control it wireless. Army robots are automatic in matic, and army robots consisting of wireless camera and PPT used for spy. What we are seeing the army robots nowadays are having huge targets such as high code to mask the robot, communication between robot and rescue unit. If the communication link between robot and control unit is having so much noise, then it causes to stop the robot to function to do the specified task. In army robots, if the distance is far, then robot cannot work. Became in robots, Bluetooth is using for communication between the robot and control system. So Bluetooth has a predefined range, and the range cannot be decreased. Noisily wireless communication link between robot. Limiting in this system, distance is limiting factor because the Bluetooth has specified range which we are using in our project system. Next, these are the objectives, which is there: identify human, detecting missile, rotating missile, and spy camera. Reduction in wastage of time and human efforts. Landmine, replace the manual efforts with mission mechanism. So the robots which checks the human fields in surrounding by the help of face recognition. The robot used to detect another robot in its surrounding by using sensors. And the third, which is rotating missile with the spy camera. We installed a rotating missile and rotating spy camera to robot. The robot saves the time and human efforts. The robot checks the landmines and bombs by using sensors. We installed robot in such a way that the robot performs all the mission mechanism assigned to it, and it replaces the missile box. And these are the requirements you are using. Hardware requirements are Raspberry Pi, DC motor driver, metal detector, radar motion sensor, laser and relay. And the software requirements we are using is Python and OpenCV. Python software we are using in the system. And the block diagram is, and this is the block diagram we are using. Proximity sensor we are using for which is connected to comparator connected to comparator, which is also connected to Raspberry Pi, which is proximity sensor, which is used to give the detect human sensor, used to detect the human sensor or the touching sensor. Ultrasonic sensor is connected to comparator, which is connected to Raspberry Pi. Ultrasonic sensor is used for missile detection, which turns around 180 and it is also used for camera detection. And next is IR sensor. IR sensor is connected to comparator to Raspberry Pi. IR sensor, which is used for human detection and which gives signals for and is also used for signaling. And the camera is connected to DC motor. Camera is 360-degree rotating, which rotates 360-degree around and detects, and even it is done in face detection. And the relay laser gun or relay DC motor, laser gun and DC motor interconnected, which laser gun will automatically shoot when the intruder, who is unknown person, who enters the border. This complete system is worked on Wi-Fi. H-Bridge L239D is the system we are using, and DC motor, which is connected to a robot assembly. And robot assembly, which is also done for rover movement. With rover movement, laser gun camera is fixed to complete recognition and 360-degree. But this is of smartphone, which is connected to Wi-Fi. Robot assembly, and the complete work we are doing is on smartphone. For smartphone we are using an app called TCP/IP. Through that app we are giving a signal. Which gives signal to the laser gun automatically. If someone who is not in our database list, the person who is not in our database will be automatically shooted. If the missile is also not recognized in our database, then it is automatically shooted in our system. And this is the model working in the block. This is the model working we are proposed in this block diagram. And the next is methodology, and this is the methodology we are using in our project. And this is the interaction diagram, how sensors, camera, Raspberry Pi and robot are interacting to each other, in which Raspberry Pi is in the middle and robot and camera sensors and camera is interconnected, and how it operates the system. And these are the advantages. The advantages are safety of army personnel, save soldiers' life, avoids errors which may occur in manual operations. In rescue operation where human reach is not possible, easy to operate, identify unknown person, detects the metal. That safety of the army personnel, save soldiers' life. Here it gives the safety to the life of army men as well as the requirement personnel. It avoids errors which occur in manual operations. Here it avoids the small fluctuations in the manual operating system. In rescue operation where human reach is not possible, there will be no entry for humans which are more remote places. Easy to operate. Manual as well as automatic is easy to control. Through face recognition, it identifies the unknown person. It detects the metal like bombs. Next, these are the disadvantages. Sensors can be improved but cost will increase. The angle of camera and movement is limited. Robot is slow. Video quality is not HD, of course. The first point, sensors can be improved but cost will increase. Of course, nowadays the cost is more. We can use sensors which have fast working than by the present. The angle of camera movement is limited. The camera movement is not to the extent. Robot is not to that much extent as we are using in our project. Robot is slow. As the process is one after the other, the robot works bit slow. Video quality is not the extent of that HD point as we are using a small bit camera for this Raspberry Pi. And the applications are applications and societal relevance. Applications and societal relevance becomes the same, as the applications and societal relevance are almost relevant to our project. Missile detection is one of the latest technology that government is investing. And these are the applications. Investing money for future betterment. The proposed system can be applied in various defense fields to protect country from foreign assaults. And this can be used to increase the security of aircraft attacked by any missile. On the governmental level, facial recognition can help to identify the terrorist or any other criminal. Missile detection is one of the latest technology that the government is investing money for future betterment. Presently, our government pays so much money for the betterment of our country with well-equipped techniques. The proposed system can be applied in various defense fields to protect country from foreign assaults. Our proposed system which secures the country from the enemy's attack. This can be used to increase the security of aircraft which attacked by the missile. For this, the best example is airstrike by Indian Air Force. The sky is ruled by the aircrafts which secure us from the airstrike by other countries on the government level. Facial recognition can help to identify the terrorist on any other crime and any other criminal activities. Here, not only terrorists, it can be used for all types of recognition. The next metal detection. The first application that we are using in metal detection, we are using proximity sensor to detect metal. When this sensor detects a metal, it will first display a message on the screen saying a metal is being detected, and immediately it will start digging. We are using 5 times disposal. That is, we are still so it will dig for 5 minutes, 5 times. Robot movement. The robot can move in all different directions, say right, left, backward and forward. As shown, we are using an application app where user TCP/IP protocol, and the app name is also TCP/IP only. So here, when a character is passed, the robot will start moving accordingly. If we want the robot to move right, a predefined character is passed. When this character is passed, the right side wheels move forward and the left side wheels move backward, and similarly vice versa to move the robot to the left. A for forward, B for backward, and goes on. Next, the face detection. The entire system is into 3 parts. That is, one is database creation, second one is training the data set, third is testing the camera. In this part of video, we are trying to show how the camera is going to detect unknown person. When IR sensor senses low heat motion, any human monument at the camera turns towards the human and starts focusing on that. Firstly, each person is given with a unique ID and details that the person is stored in the database. When the camera focuses on the person, it will compare that person's details with the one stored in the database. If it matches, then if it not, will show a message saying unknown person, and the laser gun will turn on. The last is missile detection. As in our project is still on progress, because due to this lockdown, we couldn't complete our complete project. So still 20% of our project is left out in missile detection. Another 3 applications is completely done. In missile detection, only 20% of project is left. In that missile detection, if the third application is missile detection, when the ultrasonic sensor detects any missile, when it notifies the camera to turn towards the missile, once the camera to focus on the missile, it will display a message as shown in the video, and the laser gun will turn on. And the next is future scope. System is designed in such a way that it can customize easily. The system which we have proposed can be further designed by using more effective things. The maps creation ought to be added, and rover ought to be able to return to the source. The creation of map design, which gives the complete idea of the system operation and the movement of the rover, can be made bit upgraded to their plan level. Power management should also be there, and system went on sleep mode when it is no longer in active mode. Power management is completely based on how they are proposed the system. Our system goes on sleep mode as soon as the work is done, but further it can be developed by having active mode every time. Different types of sensors, so that the robot can be used in different fields. Different sensors which can do the work continuously can be used, which makes the robot to work in all fields. But it will be of high cost. With a huge project. Multiple application can also be developed where a project works one after the other. Further, multiple works can be done at a time, which can give big cost. And this is how the model works of our system. And the only missile application and the alarm application we are showing. The rover movement is also done, and metal detection is also done. And these are the reference paper we are using in our project, and still more references papers we are yet to pass. And moreover, due to this lockdown, we couldn't complete our complete project. Only 80% of our project is done with the hardware. Still 20% which is yet to be done, which is like only automatic shoot system is left out. Other systems are completely over. By the end of our sem, we're gonna complete this. Thank you.